In this video I am going to show you about TallyPrime add-on for importing multi-pages or multi-PDF purchase invoices into TallyPrime in one shot. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for future updates. Here we have 3 PDF files for purchase invoices. Each file has multi-invoice in single PDF. As you can see in this PDF invoices, we have single invoice with multi-items or pages and then multi-invoices in same PDF. Let's see how to import purchase invoices into Tally. Select folder where you have all PDF files. Here you can select single PDF file to import with the option of import all PDF invoices. If you keep no, it will import only selected PDF file, else you can import all PDF files within folder. It has imported all invoices from selected PDF file. If you have enabled TDS with threshold limit, it will auto-deduct TDS after crossing threshold limit. Now let's import all PDF files in one click. Now you can see, this particular transaction imported multi-items from PDF file, where it has multi-pages item for same invoice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for getting notifications of future updates.